Okay, so you went to a close reach. Good.
Well, let's just fill out the window.
To my room.
Yeah.
It's fine.
I have
Is the main sheet?
Just if anyone's wondering where it went.
Okay. No.
So that was
You were testing. Let it out. Let it out all the way. Good. Just want to show everybody. We are just sailing on the head sail alone now. Mainsail is luffing. Yeah. Okay, you ready to pull? I'm looking to see when that point and that end are gonna be on the level of the boom. Okay? Yeah, go ahead. Pull, pull, pull. Pull, pull, pull. Pull, pull, pull. That's it. You pull tight now. Go. Bring in the main, let's see. I'll give it a little bit of. Good. Bring the main in. Tail. Tail. Bear away a little bit. And we're good, that's it. Very nice. I like. Very nice. Very nice.
5 minutes later.
Head up.
I was telling them just to drop the heel a little bit.
Oh, let it heal. I wanted to film that.
Oh, okay. Well,
You.
we'll come back. I promise.
You see the gusts coming towards us? It's a good thing we reefed.
Yeah.
Okay.
All of those.
Yeah, we are already powered, and that big squall is gonna come towards us.